CB radio on.
Here we go. Cover their mirrors.
Ready?
Yep.
Need some shock, but
I think they're down there.
Well, you all can hang out on my balcony. Thanks, Matt.
Y'all doing good.
I understand that we see out for some.
Oh, dang.
Some,
Patrick Fahey, what's up?
but I want some chips and salsa every time I see it.
Drivers ready? Watch your light.
He didn't hit.
Good.
Right
hits.
lane's going to take it 151 at 93.
He has been working hard.
Next
Mayor
up,
has
race
been
number
working
20 in
really
the left
hard
lane is
today, trying to
Brett.
get
Right lane is
going.
Michael on deck. Rick and
Paul,
your light.
safe travels.
yeah. It's only 5 hours, so it's
Paula Rampa is going to take that. Drivers ready? Watch your light. Right lane 151 at 92 to left lane's 154 at 86.